A simple way to do so. Flex your knees, bring your tailbone forward. Now, feel that your front, the ribs, are tucked in and it's flat, yes? No, mine is not really flat. I had the lunch. Okay, so the low back, it's also flat, it's straight. That's why we need to tuck our hips forward, okay? Keep these two parts with your hands and feel that right now when you're gonna straighten your knees, this part will stay same, remain the same, without arching your back. So naturally it brings you more forward towards the ball of your foot. And that's our position when we are dancing. That's our position. It's not about, oh, put your tummy in, take your stomach in. It's not about stomach. It's about the body position, the spine alignment, which you probably not built in the correct way, yes? So one more time, flex your knees, tuck your tailbone under. Make sure that your low back and your ribs are straight. So both sides. Straightening only your knees. Keep your spine, especially lower back, super straight. Why this part is very important to keep? Not of course for the visual, yes, for the presentation and for our look, it's for your movement. Because to me, the center, it's not tummy. It doesn't make sense to me. My center is my spine. The center, which I move constantly, my body weight, yes, from foot to foot, without forcing it, not pushing it, yes. I'm just transferring my spine from leg to leg. I can do it sideways, I can do it forward and back, but it's my spine. If I disconnect my lower back, I will start to do or through my chest, my head, or from my legs, and it's empty. Yes, so this part, your lower back, not even your tummy, should be connected. It connects two parts, your top and your bottom. Okay, so this exercise is actually great for you to just really feel it if you're aligned your body in correct way. Okay, so right now we're gonna try to do the same steps but with the proper body position, okay? Okay, from here, after one, very quiet, yes, we have a straight flat phrase throughout, 2, lockstep 3, 4, and 1, 2, now, 30, yes, highlight of the phrase, 30, and 4, and 1. And again, we have a rock step back 2. And now from here, 30, again, highlight of the phrase on 3, 4, and 1. Now, gentlemen, your 2, girls, your hips, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. But still, ladies, we're trying to still accent 2 with our hips. Yes? Let's try one time. And, ready? 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. Bravo. And we continue the last piece. That's it. We don't have any more. 4 and 1. We continued with the ronde chasse. So check 2, 3, 4, and 1. Yes, so again, check. Ronde chasse 3, 4, and 1. Cross behind. 2, 3, turn. So we just step and cross with our right foot back, and we turn on our left foot. 3. Now from here we have and 4, and 1. Just a switch. Yes. Last 5, I think, 4 steps. Okay, so we have 2 step forward, 3 turn facing that wall, and now from here we're gonna turn 3 step to the left, 4 and so 3 step turn, 4 and 1 to the split. Yeah, be careful, there is a wall. Yeah, so one more time. We have a check round the chassis. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 1, and 2, and 2. It will be real. Be real. 2, not 1. Okay, one more time. Yes, so we have a check. Flat. 2, 3. 3. I said it to you. Yes, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now from here, quiet. 2, 3. Up 4, 1. Up 4, 1. Yes, it's a one phrase. Now we have 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's again one family. Yes? Okay. From the piece, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Lock step. 2, 3, quiet. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Check. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Good. 4, 1, 2. You know what? Let's count together with me. He said like I'm loud. Let's count together. And 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 4, 1. No, not 1. 4, 1, 2. I can hear you guys now. And 2, 3 from beginning. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Good job. You did it.